Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send money overseas with the help of MoneyGram. So first of all, what you have to do is I have opened MoneyGram official website. So how to send money, I will click on learn more. So there is an article telling me how to send money. So to find an agent location, first of all, we need to find an agent location where we need to submit our money into MoneyGram. So I will click on that and it will open a new tab. And then I will see some different nearby addresses near my house, so I can select any of them and I have to go to these locations in order to send my money. Before visiting the agent, what I have to prepare for, I have to bring the following information. I need to bring my government issued photo ID where applicable. Number 2, I need the recipient's full name matching their ID and also their location. And also I have to bring the amount obviously I wish to send, plus I need to bring the fees that will be required to send money. So the fees will be varied depending on the location you're sending money to. If sending to a bank account, you also need your recipient's bank name and account number. So if sending to a mobile wallet, you also need your recipient's mobile number with international dial code. For example, if the recipient lives in United States, so the international dial code starts with +1. So these are all the information you're required to bring to the agent location. And after that, complete your transaction. Where applicable, complete a send form. You have to fill in a form, give the agent the completed form with the applicable funds, including transaction fees. And then what you have to do is save your receipt and share the 8-digit reference number with your recipient for pickup. Funds sent to a bank account will be sent directly into the account. And that's simply how you can send money with the help of MoneyGram internationally. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.